Buyer momentum is quietly starting to build again, and most agents aren't fully ready for it yet. Recent data shows more Americans are starting to think seriously about buying a home again. And while the shift might feel subtle, it matters, especially if you want to work with more buyers this year instead of having a bunch of listings just sitting around. Here's what I see happen all the time. Most buyers don't just wake up one day ready to write an offer. They get ready slowly over time. They're scrolling listings on their iPad at night, they're watching interest rates, they're running numbers sometimes before they've even told their spouse that they're thinking about a move. And that's where the opportunity actually starts. At the Neal Neal Team, we've built systems specifically to capture buyers at that early stage, when they're just looking, just curious, and just starting to imagine what's next for them. Through intentional campaigns and consistent follow-up, we stay in front of those buyers, educate them, and build trust over time. So when they're ready to move, we're already the team that they know. The agents who win with buyers aren't reacting when demand spikes. They've been nurturing those conversations long before it even happens. This is where many strong agents can get stuck, not because they lack skill, but because their environment isn't built to support that level of follow-up. As market activity picks up, you need structure, leverage, and a proven process that allows you to focus on advising and converting, not chasing leads or managing follow-up on your own. If you're an agent who wants to build a stronger buyer business and take market share before things really heat up this spring, the preparation you do now matters. And if you want to learn how we support agents here at the Neal Neal Team, we would love to start that conversation with you.